देखो, ये जो तुम लोगों की आदत है हर चीज़ में उठा के कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है तो मुझे ब्लेम कर दो वाली, इज़ नॉट वेरी कूल गाइस। -1/10। तुम लोगों ने कभी सोचा है कि हो सकता है हमारे क्वेश्चंस ही फालतू होते होंगे? नहीं, किसी ने ये नहीं सोचा है। लेकिन मेरे को ब्लेम करने के लिए सब मैम मैम करके I'm sorry, I'm a little like now. Yes, it was my first time, and what the funny thing is that I am scared of heights. If there's one thing I'm scared of is heights. I'm not scared of animals, I'm not scared of water, I don't have any kind of phobias, but I'm very 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 scared of heights. So you can imagine that how shocked I was when I was not scared while doing bungee jumping, and I like they give you chances, all right, कि 2 बारी के बाद they will not allow you to jump and they will not push you, you have to ऐसा कूदो खुद से and they'll just motivate you. उस टाइप का कुछ था, there was something like that. And since I and my sister knew that okay, I तो am scared shitless of heights, so we thought that I will be scared and I will take मेरा पूरा 2 chances. But I did not. मैं गई और मैं कूद गई. Like I did not take any chance कि हाँ ठीक है मेरे को motivate करो. I did not. I just look. Talking a lot and making friends is not the same thing. Why? Because I can talk to anybody. Like after you start talking to me, I can yap your ears off and I can irritate you, but that does not mean that you are my friend. And I'm like, I can talk a lot, but I will make sure in a way that those talks are not my personal talks. Matlab, I can overshare about myself, but it will not be the relevant shit that you say and talk about with your close friends. And you know, I don't know how to explain this, but if you know, you know. And the funny thing is कि उसके just अगले दिन we went to another like beach and उधर करना था हमें, मतलब हमें नीचे जाना था and it was very risky because वो हाइट पे था and it was very unsafe guys. तो वो वाले हाइट से मेरे को प्रॉपर डर लग रहा था. I was scared shitless कि अरे यार मेरे से नहीं होगा, ये कहाँ हम लोग उठ के आ गए. So I was like cussing the hell out of my sister for choosing that place for us to go. But then what happened कि मैं बंजी में नहीं डरी एंड मे बी द रीज़न बिकॉज वॉज कि दे प्रोवाइड यू द सेफ्टी कि हाँ ठीक है ये लगा हुआ है, यू नो दैट ओके अभी जो करना है, तुम गिरोगे तो तुम मरोगे भी. बट द नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन वी वेंट टू दैट क्लिफ, उधर तो गिरते तो मर जाते ना, उधर देयर इज नो बडी टू सेव यू, यू हैव टू डू शिट ऑल बाय योरसेल्फ, देयर इज नो सेफ्टी. सो आई वॉज लाइक कि कहाँ हम लोग आ गए, हट. एंड आई वॉज सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड आफ्टर सम पॉइंट कि आई स्टार्टेड ऊपर चढ़ते चढ़ते वो सो इरिटेटेड. मैं ऐसे करके बोल चुकी थी यार, आई डोंट नो व्हेन आई कुड नॉट हैव मैनेज्ड इट. आई जस्ट नो आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन हु कैन manage a camera and my things all at once. I would have freaked out. I would have been overstimulated, and that is a thing that you get more irritated when you're overstimulated. Like, you know, when you are in a hurry, when you have 10 things in your hands where you have to reach somewhere at a specific time and you're already late and 10 people are shouting from your back, and then you are also handling a camera in your hand and you are keeping everything in mind that whether you have everything in your hand on your backpack or not. That is not my thing. I cannot manage in those kind of situations. So I just know that I would have not been able to shoot. So that I'm not, I was so scared कि मैं नीचे जाने के पहले ना मैं उधर ही खड़ी हो गई थी कि मेरे से नहीं होगा, मैं नहीं जा रही हूँ, यू गो मैंने ऐसे बोल दिया था. तो people are coming and they are seeing that I'm getting scared and they are telling me that अरे kids are, one uncle he told me that अरे kids are going, you go ना. Uncle, that is not how you motivate somebody to do something, okay? Next, मैं जब ऊपर चढ़ रही थी I was so irritated by the way that cliff was formed because the steps were not steps, they were mud and it was very risky. So मैं चिल्लाने लगी थी कि यार ये लोगों ने कैसे बना दिया, ऐसे कोई कैसे चढ़ सकता है. I was very frustrated and I was like screaming. वहाँ के workers were right behind me and I did not know that, and he's telling me, उन्होंने मेरे को रोका, उन्होंने बोला तुम सांस लो सांस लेकर करो तो हो जाएगा, then you will not cuss us. And I was like, oh shit. I cut such people off from my life. Cutting people off from my life is like my solution to every sort of problem. And my friends who are close enough to me and they know how I work are very curious to know that how am I able to cut off people who are very close to me that quickly, because they have issues with that because of their attachment issues, that they can't cut off that quickly the way I do. They can't, and I don't have that issue, and I'm very proud of that because I cut off people left, right and center, and sometimes I'm proud of it and sometimes I'm very concerned about me and how my brain works, because it is not okay to cut off your close friends like that easily. And I'm not, it's not, I don't know what I feel about it. I don't know. I get hurt but I don't get hurt because I think, okay, so you asked for it. बाद में मेरे को मत बोलना कि मैंने स्पॉइलर दे दिया. Aaron and Adam are brothers. Yeah, I was tripping the whole time when we were at the places where we had to trek even a little bit. No, that was me talking sarcastically. I was not actually talking like that. You see? What are? Like, no, not really, but I did go to get my eyes checked once. I don't know if I've already told this here or not. Maybe I have, or maybe I've not. छोड़ो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, एक बार और सुन लो. So I did go to get my eyes checked, and then doctor, he, I don't know आँख के डॉक्टर भी थेरेपिस्ट होते हैं या कैसे होते हैं, but he said something about he has studied psychology और क्या क्या क्या. तो so I went with my parents and he started questioning me about क्या क्या कि ये overthinking, anxiety. भाई, I am from a brown household. Do you not see my parents sitting right in front of me? उनके सामने you are asking me stupid questions. I will not reply. I don't want to tell them. Why are, मतलब common sense, don't ask me such questions there. I too very much like my wardrobe. It is perfect though, like just my type. I love it. Do I not know that? I do. But am I doing anything to help that? No, I'm not. Look, I remember putting up that bio and addressing myself with, Imtiaz Ali's character and stuff like that when it was not even a thing. Like, it was not trending at that point. And it was like unique at that point. I used to feel very relatable to it. But then now, it had become so common. Like, I am a cliche. I'm not saying I'm not a cliche. I'm a huge cliche. But then again, I'm not a real cliche. So I used to don't like it. कि क्या है यार? Like, everybody Geet, everybody Aditya, everybody मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. That was not my thing. Like, it is my thing, but it is not my thing. I don't know how to explain this, but then I take pride when I am unique. Like, standing different. I cannot walk in crowds, so I just changed it. I needed to change it, else I would have lost my mind. With guys, मैंने आज हिंदी ही बोला है. You guys have some serious issues with me. I have understood this. Thank you so much. It means the whole wide world to me, and I'm spent now, guys. I am going to sleep, and yeah, bye bye.